Hello, we are from Group 8. We'll be presenting about gravimetric analysis in food industry from code CHM256 presented for Madam Rosliza Ali. So, the introduction. Gravimetric analysis is a quantitative analysis in analytical chemistry that can determine quantity of analyte from the mass of solid. Gravimetric compound relies on the conversion of element into stable, pure compound that is easily transformed into a form that can be weighed. In gravimetric analysis, analytical balance is used to gain highly accurate data. Gravimetric analysis is widely used in various applications including food industry, which we are going to cover on this presentation. In the food industry, gravimetric analysis contributes to the quality and the safety of food products. In order to conduct gravimetric analysis, we have to make sure that the requirement is reached before the procedure takes place. First of all, we have to make sure that the sample needs to be precipitated completely before we start the procedure. We also have to make sure that the precipitate is pure before the weighing procedure. Next one, the precipitate must be suitable for the gravimetric procedure. For this one, the precipitate actually should be suitable for handy methods such as filtering, weighing, and drying. And other than that, last one, this is the most important fundamental requirement. So the selection of an insoluble precipitate should have sufficient stability and easy to be manipulated in the experiment. Here, there are 4 types of gravimetric method. The first one is volatilization, a separation method in 2 ways, which is heating or decomposition. Next one is precipitation, which separates solution and incorporate into solid. The next one is electrogravimetry, a method of separation and quantify ion and are usually in the form of metal. The last one is thermogravimetry, a thermal analysis in which the change of physical and chemical properties are measured from the increase of temperature and time.
Next is the methodology. For this methodology, we prepare an example for determination of moisture content in food. First, to prepare a sample preparation, we need to weigh a known amount of the food sample. Then dry. Dry the sample in an oven at 105 degrees Celsius for a specified period. Third one is weigh. After drying, cool the sample in the desiccator and weigh it again. And the last one is the calculation. The difference in weight before and after drying represents the moisture content. So, to calculate the percentage of moisture content, we need to use the formula initial weight deducted by final weight divided by initial weight and multiplied by 100. Now we're going to talk about the application of gravimetric analysis in food industry. So the first one is the quality control. So the gravimetric analysis were used to determine the moisture content, ensuring the correct moisture content in product like cereal, snacks, and baked goods to maintain texture, shelf life, and prevent microbial growth. Next is the ash content. Ash content were determined by measuring the total mineral content in food product to ensure they meet nutritional standard and regulatory requirement. second one is for product development. Fat content. So, determining the fat content in dairy meat and processed food to develop low-fat or fat-free product. The second one is the protein content. Analyzing protein levels in product such as baby food, protein supplement, and meat substitute to meet consumer demand for high protein diet. Lastly is the regulatory compliance. Labeling. Accurate determination of moisture, fat, and protein content for proper nutritional labeling, ensuring compliance with food safety regulation.
Here, we are discussing the advantage and disadvantage of gravimetric analysis. Gravimetric analysis is high accuracy and precision as it provides precise measurement with the right method. Other than that, it is very convenient because it is easy to use and doesn't require any complicated instrument. Lastly, this method is well standardized for all compounds, including organic compounds such as lactose in milk products. However, the disadvantage is this method can be time-consuming as it requires step-by-step method which can take much time. Other than that, it is very high interference when it comes to contaminants and also impurities. And lastly, this method is very sensitive to any experimental condition, so it requires careful handling of samples. Any small mistakes can change the experimental result.
Lastly is the conclusion. In food industry, gravimetric analysis plays a crucial role in ensuring product quality, measuring ingredient purity, and detecting contamination. Precise measurements are essential for safety and quality control in food and beverage production. Gravimetric analysis provide accurate and reliable results essential for quality control, regulatory compliance, and research in the food industry.
That's all from us. Thank you.